Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram password if you forgot it. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and here you can see forgot your login details, get help logging in, click on that. And here you need to find your account, enter your username or the email or phone number linked to your account. So I'm going to enter username to my account for which I forgot a password. Click on next, and here you can see different options. You can send an email to your email address or you can log in with Facebook. You can click on can't reset your password. So I remembered the email address of this account. You simply need to click on send an email. So an email will be sent on to my this address with a link to get back into your account. When I click on that email in my email box, then I can easily access to this account by following the steps mentioned by the Instagram. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.